Hey everyone, in this product guide, we're going to learn how to make a listing for a class. And the example we'll be using is this Easter themed cookie decorating class. And we're going to have a limit of 20 participants. Here's a little background about classes and virtual products before we start. Classes are a great way to show off your skills and provide you with a great opportunity to introduce yourself and your bakery to new customers. Classes are simple products with the virtual box checked. And the virtual box is right beside where you would select simple products. Checking the virtual box disables product shipping. It's a good idea to clearly state the time, date, and place where your class will be held in the short description. This will help eliminate confusion and frustration for your customers. If you're holding the class virtually, be sure to include when the customer can expect a link to the class and what software will be needed. Here's another tip. If customers need to purchase decorating kit before the class, you can add a link to that product's frosting listing in the short description. Then your customers can purchase the kit and the class at the same time. So here we are on the Shop Manager and on the Products page. We're going to click Add New Product. We're going to add our featured image. We're going to add to the product gallery. We're going to come down and add our title. For the category, we're going to select classes. We're going to come down and add our short description. And note that in the short description, we have the date, and we actually have two different times here. We've included a link to the actual cookie kit, and that's another listing on frosting. And then we also have how they're going to get the link for the Zoom call, since it's going to be virtual. We're going to add our long description. We're not going to do any design options for holidays. I'm going to add Easter. And now we're down to the listing details. We're going to keep it as simple. We're going to select virtual. We're going to do $10. I'm going to make sure that I select my tax rate. Now we're going to set the inventory because we only want 20 tickets to be sold. So now we're going to go to the booking tab. We're going to add our product to get our booking information to show. Because we want this to be on a specific day and time, we're going to enable booking, date and time, show the calendar. So for minimum order notice, we really want to set this a little far in advance. So we're going to do 48 hours. And we're going to set a very specific date and time for this class. You don't need to worry about setting any of the dates. We're going to set availability by dates and months. And we're going to add a new range. We're going to set it as custom range. And we're going to select our date, both to and from, and we're going to enable it. Then we're going to add our time. We can leave it as all, and we're going to do 11 to 11:30. And then we're going to add another time slot. We're just going to say all. And we're going to do, because this is in 24 hours, we're going to do 13 to 13:30. Save changes. And then save here. All right, let's view our product. And here we are. So customer can select the date and the time. Perfect. Thanks, y'all. If y'all have any questions, hit the help button or look at our guide.